special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated scattered thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 5 nautical miles southwest of Dahlgren to 5 nautical miles south of Point Lookout, moving north at 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally highway ebbs and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, until 4:15 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 6 nautical miles west of Magothy River to Poplar Island, moving north at 15 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Water spouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally highway ebbs and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. Statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of the Piedmont of eastern Maryland and northern Virginia, the District of Columbia, and the eastern West Virginia Panhandle. Until 10 p.m. this evening, numerous showers and thunderstorms with heavy rain will continue to develop and move across that have received at least a couple of inches of rain, with an additional 1 to 2 inches possible through late tonight. Localized areas will receive 2 to 3 inches in a short amount of time. Excessive rainfall could cause creeks and streams to rise quickly out of their banks and could flood low-lying and urban areas, particularly those that have had recent significant rainfall. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.